this is Tab. In our first demo, we only had the live demo of DeepGram, but we had a little consideration and we revamped the website and made everything look new. So this is our website, and as you know, agents can't access Visa cards, nor could they use our credit cards when making payments online. So Tab is a smart rail between your agents and every API. So with our one API, you could use your agent to access any other API in the world while paying on Casper using X402 payments as your payments method without needing any Visa card or credit cards. And the fun thing is it's capped, it has limits, and you don't need to ever bother about the AI spending over. Then here you can see the dashboard, and you can see previous calls from other transactions here, and you could actually test the on-chain verification here. So I could just say on-chain access here, and you could click on pay. If you sign the transaction on Casper, settles within mostly 5 to 10 seconds, not 10 to 20 seconds, and once it's confirmed the settlement, we get our audio back, which is this.
On-chain access.
And you can find the transaction, click on Casper, and you will see the live URL on Casper network, where you can find the transaction ID, the payment settlement in our X402 token, and the testnet Casper transaction details. So we made this reel to be able to recognize how much it spends on each call. As you can see from here, we have each call being of different value. In our first demo, we had capped it to only one value, so each payment had only one amount. Well, at the moment we have a guardrail where we calculate value of what you will spend before we even send the message to our API. So that's that. And on the live demo, you could actually see how spending caps hit with the agent. So I'm just going to click on two lines, and with a spending cap of 0.1 to X402, we are going to see how the agent reacts. So it's settling on chain for the first.
I am an autonomous agent, and I hold my own money on Casper.
So that's the first sentence done. So it fetches more X402 for the second payment, and we'll just wait for that to happen. It takes about
Every sentence I speak, I pay for myself per request.
So when the body is exhausted, you can see it says the next line costs 0.057 X402 more than the one left. So agent goes silent and nothing happens. Then we added this when we for the final round, where we have the agents having some kind of reasoning on where to route your questions. So this is in kind of test mode, and we are using Gemini here. So we could actually ask it to do any task, and you could see the routes it will take, the amount of export it will save compared to when it's always following the pro route instead of maybe flash or flashlight. So I could just ask any question: what is Casper blockchain? And the route reacts to how simple the question is and routes it to the most capable model. So it will take about the same time we did for our other DeepGram API, and it should be done in any second. So as you can see, we have the answer here, and we had a pain ceiling because of the calculation we had. Then it metered this, we got back this, and this is the amount we saved if we were using pro. So yeah, that's Casper, and you could actually check our roadmap, what we have coming up next, and